Hello friends, in this video we will learn about EZ system. EZ system comes under the category of geometrical isomerism. Let us see what is E and what is Z. E. Antigen. When high priority groups are present at opposite side, the configuration is known as E. Z. Zusammen. When high priority groups are present at same side, the isomer or the configuration, it is known as Z. So we can see as C double bond C, high priority, low priority, low priority. So high priority on the opposite side, so it will be my E, antigen. And another case, C double bond C, low priority, high priority, high priority on the same side, so it will be my Z. So here you can see high priority on the opposite side, high priority on the same side. Opposite side E, same side Z. So let us discuss the rules how to identify high priority groups and how to name E and Z. So the first rule is priority is proportional to atomic number of atom which is directly attached to sp2 carbon. So we'll understand this rule by taking example. C double bond C, Br, iodine, fluorine and chlorine. So as we have discussed that EZ system comes under the category of geometrical isomerism. So first we have to identify whether it is geometrical isomerism or not. If two group attached to the carbon, sp2 carbon, are different, then it is my geometrical isomerism. So first look at this carbon, two group are different, and this carbon, two group are different. So it is my geometrical isomerism or geometrical isomer. So next point is to identify E or Z. So here we have to identify high priority group on the basis of atomic number. So atomic number of Br is 35. You have to see the group attached to the same carbon first, and atomic number of iodine, it is my 53. So atomic number of iodine is greater as compared to bromine, so this is my high priority group. Now next look at this carbon and the two group attached to this carbon. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So 17 is greater than 9. So this is my high priority group. So two high priority group on the same side. So this will be my Z. So this was the first rule. The next rule is if atoms attached to sp2 carbon are same, then consider the atomic number of next atom and so on. So we will understand this rule by taking the example. C double bond C, C, CH3, 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 C, CH3, CH3, H, fluorine, CH2, CH3. So first we have to identify whether it is geometrical isomerism possible or not. Look at this carbon, two group are different. Look at this carbon, two group are different. So geometrical isomer is possible. Now the next is you have to identify whether it is my E or Z. So look at this carbon, fluorine. We are having two atoms fluorine, and here it is my carbon. So atomic number of fluorine is 9, whereas carbon it is 6. So fluorine has more greater atomic number as compared to carbon. So this will be my high priority group. Now look at this carbon. These two group, look at this carbon. These two atoms are same, carbon and carbon. So move to the next atom. So here next atom, three atom we can see. One is carbon, second is carbon, and third is carbon. Here we can see First is carbon, second is carbon, and third is hydrogen. So first carbon similar, second carbon similar, but the third, here it is carbon, here it is hydrogen. Carbon atomic number is 6, hydrogen atomic number is 1. So this is my high priority group. So two high priority group on the same side, so it will be my Z. Now third rule is, if multiple bond is present, then consider them as. How to break the multiple bond or how to represent the multiple bond, we will see that. C double bond C. So how to represent C double bond C? What you have to do, you have to just break the bond and write C. Clear? C double bond C, it is represented as this in order to give the priorities. Next, C triple bond C. So first break one bond, write 2, break another bond, write 2 bond, and attach carbon. Clear? The next, C double bond O. What you have to do? Simple, break the bonds. With O attach C, with carbon attached O. Next, C triple bond N. How to represent this? C N. Break the bond, break another bond. So with nitrogen you have to attach C, with carbon you have to attach nitrogen. So this is the way to represent double bond, triple bond, C double bond O and C triple bond O. We can see the example. N triple bond C, C double bond C, C double bond O, H, C double bond O, OH, N, H, H. Now first identify geometrical isomerism or isomer. At this, look at this carbon, two group are different. Next, look at this carbon, two group are different. So geometrical isomerism possible. Next step, whether E or Z. So look at this carbon and the two group. The attached atom is carbon, your attached atom is nitrogen. So atomic number of nitrogen is 7, whereas atomic number of carbon is 6. So obvious, this will be my high priority group. Now this carbon, attached atom carbon, attached atom carbon. Here next is oxygen, here also oxygen. But the next is here hydrogen, and here it is oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8, whereas hydrogen it is 1. So this will be my high priority group. So two high priority groups are on the same side, so it will be my Z. The next, fourth rule is, if isotopes are present, then consider atomic weight. Hydrogen, carbon, double bond carbon, CH3, CH2, CH3, and here deuterium. First, geometrical isomerism possible or not? Look at this carbon, two group are different. Look at this carbon, two group are different. So geometrical isomerism is possible. Next step, to identify E or Z. Look at this carbon. The first atom is carbon. Here it is carbon. So carbon, carbon. Move to the next. Next is hydrogen. Next is hydrogen. Again next is hydrogen. Here again it is hydrogen. And the third is hydrogen. Here third is carbon. So we can represent this as hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here it is hydrogen, hydrogen, carbon. So this group will have high priority as compared to this. Now hydrogen and deuterium, these two are my isotopes. So consider the atomic weight. Atomic weight of deuterium is 2.014 AMU, whereas atomic weight of hydrogen is 1.00784 AMU. Let me write here. Atomic weight. So deuterium atomic weight is more as compared to hydrogen, so it is my high priority group. Two high priority group on the same side, so it will be my Z. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, then please write in the comment section. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.